So another muscle that can get tight in our hips is our adductor. Our adductor are the muscles, a group of muscles that start on our pubis on the inside and they work down to the inside of the knee. What we need to do is we need to roll and stretch those as well. So what we're going to do to roll the adductor is we're going to lay on our side and I'm going to roll out the left leg. So I'm on my side and what I'm doing is I'm throwing my left leg up over the foam roller here. And then what we can do to add a little extra pressure is get up on the elbow. And now I'm rolling the inside all the way to the pubic bone, all the way to the inside of the knee, right? If I find a tight spot, we can do the same thing for that myofascial release. Bend the knee, we can internal, external rotate, do multiple directions. All right, so that's gonna roll that out about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna go to a stretch. Our favorite stretch for the adductor is the adductor rocker. So, stretching the left leg still, left leg's coming out. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on our hands, and then we're gonna try to sit back onto our heel as far as we can. That inside of the foot is on the floor. Okay, now I'm sitting back, I'm starting to get a nice stretch to the adductor. And what we can do for the rocker is come back and rock forward. Right, this is one variation. The other variation is a thread the needle. So if I'm stretching my left adductor, my left arm is going to thread the needle between my right arm and my body. Then I'm going to come back, I'm going to thread the needle again. This is elongating that adductor. All right, this is a very aggressive stretch, and definitely one we should do after we've worked the adductor